Hello everyone, so today we are back with another e-commerce case study, and this time we will let you know how we have generated almost $15,000 in terms of sales with the ROAS of 6 for an online greenhouse store. So now in terms of the client background, our client, an online greenhouse store, aim to boost their online presence and drive substantial sales growth while maintaining a positive return over ad spend. They also aimed to capture bulk orders from potential customers. The client was dissatisfied with the results. The ROAS was too low, below at 1.5. It was hurting the clients where he was wasting the money without any profits. So he found us by watching one of our video. We can give the link for that video in the I button above and also in the description box below. So now in terms of the challenges that we have faced, first is the low ROAS. The ROAS was too low, below at 1.5. It was hurting the client as he was wasting the money without any profits, and then they were also not getting the bulk orders. So now in terms of the strategies that we have used, targeted campaigns. We redesigned highly targeted Google Ads campaign to reach a more responsive audience based on the demographics, interest and the online behavior. Second is the keyword optimization. We conducted thorough keyword research to identify the most relevant and high converting keywords in the greenhouse niche and optimize the ad groups accordingly. The next is the ad creatives. We revamped the ad creatives to make them more compelling and engaging for potential customers. Multiple ad variations were tested to determine the most effective messaging and design. Fourth is the bids management. We closely monitored bid strategies and adjusted them to maximize return over investment, aiming for a significantly improved ROAS of 5. Conversion tracking. We refined conversion tracking to measure the success of the campaigns more accurately and to monitor the generation of bulk order forms. The next is the focus on Google Shopping ads. Google Shopping focus. The primary challenge was to maximize the visibility and sales of products within the Google Shopping network. They were not utilizing the Google Shopping campaigns at its full potential. The products was not optimized and they were just not showing on top of the page for most relevant keywords, which is why the sales and the ROAS was on the poor side. For the high ticket size products, focusing on intent-based keywords for high ticket size product can be highly effective. Intent-based keywords are more likely to attract users who are actively searching for your specific product and are closer to making a purchase. And make sure your ad campaigns are tightly aligned with these intent-based keywords and that your ad copy and the landing page effectively communicate the value and benefits of high ticket products to cater to the intent of the potential customers. So now in terms of the results, our top converting keywords are greenhouse supplies, backyard greenhouse supplies for sale, buy a greenhouse online. Here is the high performing ad featuring all the essential elements that should be included in any marketing campaign. The Google Ads campaign yielded an outstanding results. Our revised approach addressed the client's dissatisfaction and low ROAS. We have seen the ROAS improvement. Through our corrective measures, we significantly improved the ROAS, surpassing the client's expectation and turning their financial losses into profits. Our efforts lead to an impressive $15,000 in terms of sale in the last 30 days, demonstrating substantial growth in their customer base and revenue. Bulk orders. In addition to sales, the client successfully generated more than 15 bulk orders forms, indicating strong interest from B2B customers. So now in terms of the conclusions, our client's partnership with our Google Ads services initially faced challenges due to the low ROAS, which was hurting their profitability. However, by addressing their dissatisfaction and implementing corrective measures, we achieved remarkable improvements in the return on on investment, sales, and the business opportunity within the greenhouse industry. This case study underscores the importance of continuous optimization in the digital ads and potential for turnaround in challenging situations. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.